Today I'll be doing my nutrition video assessment. The recipe I've chosen to make is loaded scrambled eggs. It's an excellent source of protein and you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or even supper if that's what you want to do. The first ingredient that I'll be working with today is the bell pepper. So I'll get it cut up and we'll be using the whole bell pepper. Once I've cut up the bell pepper, the next step is to cut up the onion. So once I've cut up the onion and the bell pepper, it'll be time to do the salt and the pepper. Here I have a little bowl of ground up pepper and I'll be measuring out half a teaspoon of each to put into the recipe. So the next step is the cheese. I'll be grating about a 3/4 cup of cheese. In my recipe I said that it had to be cheddar cheese, but really it's whatever your preference is, and in this case I'm using Farmer's Marble cheese. The next step for this recipe is to get the eggs ready. There's supposed to be 8 done actually. So once you have all the eggs cracked into one bowl, it'll be time to beat them. So after having beaten the eggs, the next step is going to be to measure out the parsley. So now I'm going to cut the tomato. Okay, so now for the last ingredient, I'm going to put the olive oil into this cute little measuring cup. It's small, that's why I'm using it. Anyway, all we need is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So first things first, we're going to need to heat the element and then put the olive oil into the pan. So once the frying pan was hot enough, you're supposed to put in the peppers, the onions, and also the salt and pepper. And we're supposed to let that cook for about 12 to 14 minutes while stirring occasionally. So once the peppers and onions have been cooking for 12-14 minutes, it'll be time to put the eggs in. And once the eggs have put in, you'll let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the eggs are set. And you'll need to stir the mix frequently. So once the eggs have been set, it'll be time to put the cheese in. So once the cheese has been put in, you can stir it around until it is melted, and once it is melted, then that is the end of the egg mixture being on the frying pan, and you can take it off the heat and serve it on a dish. Once you've put it on a plate and gotten it ready to be served, you can put the diced tomatoes on top and also sprinkle it with parsley, and then you should have your beautiful recipe ready to serve. So once you've added the diced tomatoes and the parsley on top, that is the last step, and now it is ready to serve and to eat. So after all that hard work you've just done to make this meal, it's all ready and ready to eat. Looks better than ever. I think it'll be quite tasty. There's many benefits to this. Lots of the ingredients in here don't actually, they're not actually like that unhealthy. There's onions and peppers and tomatoes, and those are all healthy vegetables for you. And the eggs are full of lots of protein. And I think that it's a very good meal filled with lots of vitamins and minerals, and it's very healthy. Thank you.